Okay. Now,
Yes.
a heart murmur means your heart valve is not completely closing. And I think Arnold Schwarzenegger had a heart valve issue, and he had a heart operation. You know, he's a big bodybuilder, right? He had a
Yeah.
he had a heart operation. He said he got any older. So let me tell you what that tells me. That tells me that mitochondria could be very important to resolving that issue. Because what happens when you get older, you lose mitochondria, and the heart muscles get weaker, including the ones that close that valve. So I'm optimistic for you. I'll put it that way. If you use this, I mean, up to 40% of the volume of a heart cell could be mitochondria at its best. So yeah, give it a try. Let us know what happens.
And I'm 70 years old, so this is my first time ever using this.
Okay. So I'm older than that.
You don't sound like it.
Of course not. What do you think I've been on for all these years?
You sound like you in your 30s.
I work like it too. All right.
I can sense that.
There you go. Join me.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Okay, so as you heard, the owner of the company, Mr. Roger Hill, as he was speaking with Carnell about heart murmur. I was actually born with a heart murmur. I no longer have a heart murmur, but I did have other heart issues. So I am one that can testify that once you get your mitochondria strong, your body can fix itself. So the last few times I've gone to my cardiologist, my reports have been great. Only thing that I'm doing different is taking the UltraMito Restore Oil. This works from the inside out. And the UltraMito Rejuvenate Gel. This works from the outside in. You want to go ahead and create your free website. Everybody gets a free website. That's the way the company is designed. And you order your own products. That way you can see your status of everything that's going on with your order, etc. And if you need help, we can help you with that. So you want to either get back with the person that referred you, or if you were connected to me, then you'll go to my website, which is www.moremito.com/salford. That's www.moremito.com/SALFORD. You want to click, if you're doing it from your phone, you're going to click the menu. Then you'll click join. If you're doing it from the computer, you'll hit join from the top, and then you'll choose referring customer. If you're just a regular customer, you don't get discounts and you don't get the MoreMito bucks. So if it's a referring customer, you get the discounts. You get discounts off of each order, and you get to earn MoreMito bucks. And I love earning MoreMito bucks. So those of you all that are my customers, thank you so much, because I am at the level where I continuously get the MoreMito bucks, and so I don't have to come out of my pocket with money to pay for my order. So I love it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. But once you actually click on login, you're creating your order. So you will click on referring customer, then you will complete the information. So you're putting in like your name, your address, your phone number, your email, choosing your username and a password, and it's up just like that. Then you'll go into your email and you'll verify your email address, and again, your website is up just like that. And then you'll go in there to place your order. How do you place your order? Well, we actually have other episodes on here to share, and it would explain to you how you actually place your order. But I will go through that real quick. But if you need to go, just go to our playlist on Health and Wealth Show with Stephanie, and you want to click on the tools, the MoreMito tools, and there's tools there to walk you through different steps of different things that helps you with the MoreMito products. But you'll log into your back office. So you'll click log in, put your username and password, and then you'll go to Shop MoreMito. And once you click on Shop MoreMito, you choose the people products, because we do have a pet line as well, because pets need to get their mitochondria strong so that they can be healthy as well. So you'll choose the people products, and then you'll go down and hit the green button, and then you'll see the actual bundles and regular products, etc. So there's several ways that you can get it. And understand, each time you purchase a bundle, you get a free Rejuvenate Gel, whether you get the Rejuvenate Gel here or whether you get the travel size. Which, let me show you the travel size. This is a travel size. We don't have samples, but we have the travel size, which is just a mini size of this that you can put in your man bag, put in your purse, etc. So you get, you get a free Rejuvenate Gel, or you get a package of these. They come in a, in a pack where you'll get several of these. Again, get back with the person that referred you, if or go to my website and create your free website and order your products. Again, get your mitochondria strong so that your body can fix itself the way God designed it.